Mga nagpapagong balita para sa Listo Lasaliano. Puno ng saya at ng aral kung ilarawan ang naging pagtatanghal ng ADT Strand kasama ang Teatro Lasaliano sa kanilang programang pinamagatang Eyeball, kung saan patok sa mga Lasaliano ang kwentong digital romance na magcha-transform in real life. Labis ang paghanga ng isa sa mga nanood na si Gavin Canapi na mula pa sa ADT Laguna matapos masaksihan ang iba't ibang kulay, musika at plot na hatid ng kwentong Eyeball nitong Biyernes.
The way that the theater, the way that the play is presented, there's so much space on stage and there's something to focus on at each time, and it's nice to see the people who made it have understanding of basic theater concepts, and they apply them really well. And there's also things going on the side. If you're not looking at the main thing, you're still going to be entertained because there's a lot of idle movement. There's a lot of interesting visual elements, and the set's really well done. And the music's really good because as a musician myself, the free sections were really good. Dynamic change, you get to see into the minds of the characters, and it's I'm impressed.
Umikot ang kwento ng musical performance patungkol sa pagkikita ng dalawang aktor sa Eyeball Cafe matapos ang kanilang pag-uusap online. Sinamahan din ito ng makukulay na disenyo at musikang nagpahanga sa mga manonood. Pinangunahan ni Scarlett Yape at Javeria Santos na parehong gumanap bilang Aileen at Gabriel Presingular at Jetro Santos na gumanap naman sa karakter ni Patrick. Fulfilled at magical kung i-describe naman ng mga aktres ang naging performance sila dahil sa iba't ibang reaksyon ng kanilang mga manonood.
For me, syempre, yung character ko po, kailangan po talaga very energetic, very OA, very nakakatawa. So, yung marinig ko po yung tawa ng audience, parang it feels like I really did my part. I did my role well. I played my role well. Yun po.
Taking this part, super challenging siya for me kasi hindi siya yung usual na kinukuha kong role. I'm a very outward person, but Eileen is very inside herself. She's very internal. So taking this role was a challenge that made it magical for me, seeing how the audience reacted to the impact. At makikita ko rin na nagkaroon din sila ng emotional impact. At natutuwa ako dahil it's a success now.
Napanood ang performance na ito ng 4 na beses sa loob ng 2 araw. Isa nitong Miyerkules, ika-19 at ngayong Biyernes, ika-21 ng Marso dito sa Natividad Fajardo, Andrew Gonzalez Auditorium. Mac Alquizar para sa Listo Lasaliano.